Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of Vegetarian Burrito bowl using easily available ingredients. So let's get started. Let's start with the preparation of rice. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cup basmati rice. You can use any long grain rice. Wash the rice well with water 1 to 2 times. After washing the rice, discard the water. Now let's cook the rice. To cook or boil the rice, heat enough amount of water. Add salt. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons salt because we are going to drain the rice and the rice must retain some amount of salt. That is the reason we are adding this amount of salt. Add in the rice, gently stir. Now let the rice cook between medium to high flame. And once it's done, take it out and transfer to a sieve. Spread it evenly and place a bowl below the sieve and let the rice sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's move to the next step. To prepare rajma or kidney beans, here I've got half cup kidney beans soaked. So half cup was the amount before soaking. Soak for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. To cook the rajma, I'm using this 3-liter pressure cooker from Borosil stainless steel Triply range. Next, add 1 cup water and some salt to taste. You may add more salt later if required, but don't add a lot. Place the lid and cook for 5 whistles. Since I've used this pressure cooker many times, I have realized that the 3 layers of this cooker makes it very sturdy. The body of this cooker doesn't look like it will pit or corrode. This pressure cooker has a thick anti-bulge capsule bottom and its unique 7 mm thick base. And yes, it is induction friendly too. After 5 whistles, switch off the flame and let the pressure cooker sit, and once the pressure is released, check whether the rajma is done or not. It's done. Before we move to the next step, let me share my experience with Borosil. I'm enjoying using Borosil in my kitchen daily. Their new range of Triply stainless steel is a must-have today compared to the local low-quality products available. Like I always say or suggest, that stainless steel is a healthier option for cooking. With this range, food is cooked evenly without any sticking or burning. I like that they are versatile and easy to use even on an induction, electric or gas stove. To temper the kidney beans or rajma, heat approximately 2 teaspoon oil. To the hot oil, add 1 teaspoon crushed garlic. Fry till the garlic turns slightly golden in color and there is no raw smell. Next, add 1 small size chopped onion and fry till the onion turns slightly golden in color. Next, add the cooked rajma or kidney beans, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, and a little salt. Since we had added salt while cooking, you can taste the rajma and add salt only if required. Cook the kidney beans further till it thickens. This looks perfect. I'm going to switch off the flame now and keep it aside. Looks so delicious already. Now let's prepare the rice. I'm going to temper it, it's going to enhance the flavor. Add approximately 2 to 3 teaspoon butter and once it melts, add 1 bay leaf of medium size, small to medium sized, and 1 teaspoon crushed garlic. Fry the garlic till it turns slightly golden in color. And then add the cooked rice. Add salt if required because we had already added salt while cooking or boiling rice. Gently mix. After you're done mixing and the rice becomes warm, switch off the flame and add 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped fresh coriander. You may add more. Half teaspoon lemon juice. Gently mix. Our delicious rice is ready. Now let's prepare the quick salsa for this recipe. For this we need 1 small size finely chopped onion, 1 medium size finely chopped tomato or 2 small size chopped tomatoes, 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped fresh coriander, finely chopped green chili. You can add 1 entire green chili or you can use half of it, a few drops of lemon juice and some salt to taste. Gently mash and mix. Our salsa is ready. Let's move to the next step. To make sour cream from easily available ingredients, hang half cup curd in a cotton cloth till you get something like this. It will take about 30 minutes to 1 hour. And after that, transfer this to a bowl. Next, add 3 to 4 teaspoon cream You don't need to buy any cream from the market. You can use the same cream that gets collected on top of the milk after you boil and let it cool. Add a little salt and gently mix. If required, you can add more cream. So to get to the right consistency, you will have to keep adding cream, but you don't need to add a lot of cream. So this is ready and it looks perfect, tastes amazing. Set it aside. Now let's prepare the veggies. Heat 3 to 4 teaspoon oil and add 1 tablespoon crushed garlic. Fry till it turns slightly golden in color and there is no raw smell. Add 1 big sized sliced onion. Just saute it for a minute. Next I am adding red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Instead of these bell peppers, you can use capsicum. You can also add sweet corn, mushroom, any other vegetable of your choice. Next add half teaspoon chili flakes, some oregano and salt to taste. Stir fry the vegetables till they are partially cooked. Do not overcook them, let the crunch be there. Link to these Borosil utensils is given in video's description box. Use my code Priyanka10 to avail additional discount on your order. Now let's assemble the burrito bowl. To assemble it, take a tiffin or a bowl. Now place some rice. If you're using a bowl, you can place the rice in the center in the middle and the other things around it. Now place the prepared kidney beans. Veggies, some salsa, some nachos, a dollop of the prepared sour cream, and a slice or wedge of lemon. With this recipe you can make 3 such servings. Avocado is not an easily available ingredient here in my country and that is the reason I have skipped it. Like already mentioned at the beginning of the video, I wanted to make this dish with easily available ingredients. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!